Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to Varda's cooking channel. Today's recipe is the most favorite snack of the Mediterranean cuisine, chicken shawarma. Basically, meat shawarma consists of thin slices of meat which are stacked in a cone-like shape and they are roasted on a slowly turning vertical rotisserie. But today I am going to try my best to create the exact replica at home. My chicken shawarma consists of all these ingredients and you can also check them out in the description below. The first and foremost ingredient of shawarma is the grilled chicken. So over here I've got boneless chicken breast 2.5 pounds. I'm going to wash it and pat dry it before cutting it into small steak shapes. Guys, a good tip to cut your chicken is to use the knife at a slightly tilted angle so that the chicken steaks are cut slightly diagonally. In this way, when the chicken is cooked, it doesn't lose its juiciness. Now let's prepare the marinade. For that, I am taking 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 3 teaspoons of red chili flakes. After that, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and for that Mediterranean touch, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's mix our marinade in this big bowl. And now I am going to put the marinade onto the chicken pieces thoroughly. Now I am going to squeeze 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. So our marination is complete. I am going to leave this for 30 minutes to marinate. After that, I've got this skewer and I'm going to put the steaks on the skewer just as you see in the shops that they have a big skewer and all the chicken breasts or the meat slices are placed on the skewer and stacked together and then they are slow grilled. So the way I grill my chicken for shawarma is very creative as I use these skewers and do the grilling in my air fryer. And they taste almost the same as we get from outside. So I line my air fryer with aluminium foil. In the inside basket, I am going to put my skewers and cook in air fryer at 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes on one side. Our chicken looks good. Let's turn it around and I'm going to again cook it in the air fryer for another 20 minutes. Wow, look at that. Our chicken is beautifully grilled to a crispy golden brown color. I'm going to take it out and let it cool for a bit before I cut into strips. Take a sharp knife and slice your chicken into shreds. In this way, we are done with the chicken process of our shawarma wrap. I am telling you guys, the marinade that I prepared for this chicken, please note it down because it is so good and authentic. You can use it to grill your chicken, even chicken with bone, and make it in the air fryer for just hassle-free work, and you can add it in your sandwiches, in your subs and even in salads. The next step is to prepare our shawarma fries. Take around 4 to 5 potatoes, peel their skin off, cut them into french fries, wash them and soak them in cold water before you fry them. Strain them well and then fry in your wok. Take them out when they're slightly crispy but doesn't get too dark. Next is eggplants. Eggplant is my secret ingredient in shawarma. Guys, just listen to me. Please for once add eggplant and you'll see the difference. This vegetable is going to enhance the flavor of your shawarma. Finely slice the eggplants, add some salt, then pat dry before deep frying to light golden brown color. You'll feel the difference when the eggplants are done. They'll start curling up and become slightly crispier. This is the time to dish them out. The third thing you'll need is the shawarma salad. Cut around half a cup of lettuce. You can use Roman lettuce. Here I have used iceberg. Then take out some pickled cucumber and around half a cup you cut it into fine slices. And over here I've got some chipotle salad which is left over, or you can also add red onion, tomatoes and multicolored bell pepper. Your choice. Now I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper and 2 tablespoons of vinegar for some acidity. For best results, refrigerate the salad for 30 minutes before assembling. Next is hummus. So here I am using this store-bought Sabra Classic hummus, and this is my favorite hummus and it's so simple, just buy it and use it. So no need to make hummus at home. This is excellent. Next I am going to prepare the dressing, which is very important. Half a cup yogurt goes in my bowl, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, then quarter teaspoons of tahini paste, which is sesame seed paste, 1 big tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can add more if you like, and then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Season with salt, black pepper powder and paprika to your taste. Then I am going to mix this well. This seems to be little thick, so I'll dilute it with little water and fresh parsley around 2 tablespoons. Mix it up and we have prepared our dressing. Very nice. Let's start wrapping. Here I have got this store-bought large burrito wraps. This is a 10 count bag and I just love it because it's very easy to wrap in these burrito wraps. You can even use pita bread. First I am going to toast each wrap on my pan just like you make roti. Toasting helps me to eliminate the sharp tortilla smell that it has from the preservatives. Place a foil sheet on your workspace. I have prepared everything and now I am going to apply hummus onto the wrap. Spread it evenly. Then I'll put grilled chicken on the center, some french fries, eggplant slices, our secret ingredient, and then goes the dressing in the center so that the wrap doesn't get soggy, and the dressing will help to bind everything together. I'll top it with some salad. And now I am going to gently fold the sides and then I am going to start folding from the bottom. Hold everything together and see, shawarma wrap is done. Let's pack our delicious shawarma in the foil sheet, folding it gently and then closing the top. Let's make another one. First the foil, then our toasted bread, You can even use pita bread, but my favorite is this tortilla wrap. Then applying hummus, chicken, fries, eggplant, dressing, and finally salad. Fold the sides, then from the bottom press and fold, then wrap in the foil. Fold the bottom foil, roll it completely and close the top. Perfect shawarma. You can prepare all your shawarmas this way and then serve it cold or hot. Let me cut it from the center to show how it looks. See? It's so good. All the ingredients are well balanced and they look so nice together. Let's enjoy. So here it is guys, this is my recipe of favorite shawarma snack that I enjoy with my kids and family, and I'm sure you're going to love making them and enjoy them. I hope you liked my video viewers. Please go to my YouTube page Varda's Cooking channel, press the bell icon, subscribe to me. You can also check me out on Facebook and Instagram. Please share, like and subscribe and also forward to your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.